Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super easy free dress combo on Dress to Impress. You do need the dress though, so I'm just going to put that on. And I think I'm just going to use some patterns. Okay, maybe not. Okay, I'll just use the pattern on the skirt later on. Let me just match it with this dress. Here we go. I'm just gonna use this. You can obviously use any color that you'd like. I think I'm just going to remove chains here. Okay, and I'm going to turn off the glitter as well, but you can use it if you want to, obviously. Then I'm going to use this dress in that same color. Then lastly, I am going to use this skirt, the Ella skirt from Coats, in the long toggle. You can add ribbons or not, but I'm just going to turn it off, and I'm just going to use this cute pattern to tie that all up. And that's pretty much it. This dress is super cute, and the best thing is that it's free-ish. Well, you did use a currency item, but you know, you didn't have to have VIP for this. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will try my best to answer them. Wait, nope. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.